like to make a short manifestation on behalf of Vice President Leni Robredo. Your Honors, in her public statement, Vice President Leni Robredo asked her supporters that we need to accept the decision of the majority. Sinabi niya, bagaman may hindi pa nabibilang, bagaman may mga tanong ukol sa eleksyon na ito na kailangang matugunan, palinaw na ng palinaw ang tinig ng taong bayan. Sa ngalan ng Pilipinas, na alam kong mahal na mahal rin ninyo, kailangan nating pakinggan ang tinig na ito. Dahil sa huli, iisa lang naman ang bayang pinagsasaluhan natin. Habang lumilinaw na ang litrato, kailangan nating simulan tanggapin na hindi ayon sa mga pangarap natin ang resulta ng eleksyon. She said, we need to accept the majority's decision. And so, Your Honors, consistent with such pronouncements by Vice President Leni Robredo, and so as not to delay the proceedings of this board, we would like to make of record our continuing manifestation that we interpose no objection to the inclusion in the canvass of all the certificates of canvass for President from the various provincial and city boards of canvassers found by this honorable board to be authentic and duly executed in accordance with Section 20 of Republic Act 7166. And with that continuing manifestation, Your Honors, may we be allowed to respectfully waive our appearance before this joint committee to further expedite its proceedings. And finally, on a personal note, in any competition or contest, I am always guided by this very meaningful short prayer entitled The Prayer of Sportsman. This was composed by the late American poet Burton Braley, and I quote, "Dear Lord, if I should win, let it be by the code, with my faith and my honor held high. And if I should lose, let me stand by the road and cheer as the winners go by." Maraming pong salamat. Pagpalain po tayo ng pong may kapal at ang ating bansa.
We would like to thank the Council of Vice President Leni Robredo for your magnanimity. Thank you very much, gentlemen. At least now,
bayan kang magiliw sa amin, kailan pa may hindi magdidilim.
Busilak ang dilaw, puti, pula, bughaw, dama sa iyong tatlong bituin at araw.
Sa dami ng iyong pinagdaanan, iba't ibang sigwa ang naranasan.
Kapit lang sa Diyos na may pagtitiwala, pinagtagumpayan ng mapayapa.
Magkaisang tinig sa panalangin pagpalain ang pinakamamahal na ang awit sa ating bayang minamahal.
Tunay ang pagmamahal sa'yo